Hey everyone, so we are back from Hawaii and I got myself into a little trouble because I love my Disney art, right? So I did get a couple pieces. Two have arrived and one more is on the way. It'll probably be here maybe in about a month. But I got two. So shall we do a little unboxing? Let's do it. All right, so we got two pieces here. This is one. I'm just gonna put this one right over here for right now. This one is pretty awesome. It's unlike anything that I have, because what I currently have is either canvases, like there's a canvas of Las Vegas. We have other canvases. Here's one of the Disney Wish. There's another canvas. I like canvases, and we have some that are prints. But this one is special because I don't have anything like this in the collection. It's not canvas. It's not a print. It's actually on wood. And I'm doing it with one hand, so bear with me. In Hawaii, the leader of the pack, the mouse himself, the big unveil. There he is. That looks beautiful. Look at that. Aloha. This is by Carlton. There are 195 of these. This is 50 of 195. It's his signature right there. And I am very pleased. It's on wood. It looks amazing. Doesn't need to be framed or anything because it's just in perfect condition, just like this. And here, just to show you guys the back of it. Love this raw wood. Here's your Disney Fine Arts Vintage Classic, your certificate of authenticity. The title is Waves of Aloha. 50 of 195 by Carlton. Let's put it up right now. All right, you guys want to see the other one? All right, the other one is right over here. All right, so here is the other one. Now this is a canvas. Very carefully. This one is. Well, they put it in a it's like a tissue paper, and actually I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it in here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in here because this one I actually am going to take to get framed. But you can still see it. It is of an old classic 1940s Mickey Mouse cartoon where you have like Mickey and Minnie doing the hula. He's playing the ukulele here. Donald, he's playing the ukulele. Goofy's right here about to jump in the ocean. Pluto's not looking so happy because he's got a crab on him. This is by Michelle. Also a limited edition, only 95 of these made, and this is number 52 of 95. That's pretty cool because I got a 52 here and a 50 right here. So that's pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys remember this cartoon when you were kids, but I remember it. And it just totally brought me back. Got a little nostalgia going on. So you can absolutely frame these just like this. There's a hook, a wire in there just to frame like this. But I don't know. I think it would look good with a frame on it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I should just leave it alone. Just put it up just like that. But I don't know. It's decisions. It would be cool with like a frame on it, right? Like we got this one that has like the bamboo frame around it. I think canvases look really good with a frame on it. also makes the piece look a lot bigger, right? So you can see this piece right here doesn't have a frame on it. I got this one at the D23 event, and if you look closely, there are hidden Mickeys in there. There's exactly 23 hidden Mickeys in there. This one is by Noah, 49 of 295. So there's, I just stepped on something. Another one right here, a canvas of Disney Cruise Line right there. No frame on that one. So I don't know. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments down below. Should I do a frame on this or not? All right, so there you guys have it. Those are the two pieces that came in. I'm pretty happy with them both. I'm undecided if I'm gonna do a frame on this or not. I just, I don't know. I think it looks good like that, but I also know it's gonna look great with a frame. This, super happy with it. Maybe I'll put that one right up here, move that one. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. And hey, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Make sure that bell notification icon, wherever it is, here or over here, is pressed so you don't miss any future uploads. I got lots more videos of Hawaii coming up, so stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.